friends, I'm Love, and in today's video we are going to be making a basic phrases app. So basically what is going to happen is that we'll have like many buttons, and then when we click a button then that phrase will come. So in this one we'll use tags again like we used in the tic-tac-toe app. Uh, so this is also going to be using so what is going to happen is that there's going to be an English phrase, for example hello, and then you have to if you click it then a French translation will come. So that is what is this app's main motive. So let's do it. So empty activity, just choose anything about Android 23 API and then name it as basic phrases, and then make sure it's Java and finish. Now while it is running, so firstly we need to get the basic phrases. So we'll go on to my website. So we are going to do write carefully the exact same thing, lovebarnaval.in slash phrases dot rar, and then it will download that zip file for you, so you can close Google after that. And then what you'll have to do is just unzip extract files, and then extract files in the desktop for now. You can, so it's in the desktop, then you can close this. So it still hasn't finished yet. Okay, it has finished now. So here it is, all of them, and then just copy everything. And then go to resources and then add a new folder called raw Android resource directory, and then go here and scroll to raw and then click OK, and then paste it here and then do OK again, and then just check if all of them are there. First one is, do you speak English? Then good evening, then hello, then how are you, then I live in, then my name is, then please, then welcome. So now let's go on and design our app. So firstly, remove the hello world tag which is there. Then what you have to do is search for the grid layout. So add a grid layout in here. Yes. Okay, so sometimes there's that error which comes, so you'll have to add it this way. Yeah, sometimes it just happens like that, so just do that, and then add grid layout manually if sometimes there's an error in so you just add grid layout and then do match parent for both of them, and then do that. And now you can go in here and edit it. So we are going to add the constraints, and then let's go all the way to column count. There it is. And then we need since we have I think 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so we'll have 2 columns and 4 rows. So let's do this as 2, and then rows, let's go down to rows, and here let's do 4. And now we'll add a button everywhere, one by one. First button, second button, third button, fourth button, fifth button, sixth button, seventh button, and eighth button. Then let's go to text, and then here we are going to do row weight, and we are going to do 1, and then column weight we are also going to do 1. Okay, I don't think we need any column weight right now. Okay, let's copy everything. Yeah, then for this one, then for this one, then for this one, then for this one, this one, and then finally for this one. You could and then just increase them all to the width. Just adjust them all. So what we'll do is that we'll just adjust them all very quickly. It doesn't matter if they aren't perfectly aligned, but it's just better to have them that way. Then what we are going to do is we are going to add a tag for all of these. So tag, let's do 0. Then paste it here, and then do this 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and finally 7. And then what we are going to do is we are going to add an on-click listener to all of these. So an easy way to do it is just select everything and then scroll down to on-click. And here we'll just call it on-click phrase. So everything has got an on-click now. Now let's go here and write everything's text. So first one is, do you speak English? That's the first one. Then the second one is, good evening. The third one is, hello. The fourth one is, how are you? The fifth one is, I live in. and then don't forget the question mark. Then after that, my name is, then after that, please, and finally welcome. And now let's go on to the coding part. So guys, what I've thought is that so to make it easier for you guys to do it, what we can do is go to project, then for all of these, the tag, just write exactly the same thing as in there. So do you speak English? And then later on in the app, you'll see why I said you to do this. The first one is, do you speak English? Make sure there's no mistake in the spelling. The second one is, good evening. The third one is hello. The fourth one's tag is how are you? The fifth one's tag is I live in. The sixth one's tag is my name is. The seventh one's tag is please, and the last one's tag is welcome. And now we can start to code. So here what we are going to do is, firstly let's copy the on-click listener. Then let's go and do public void on-click phrase view, and then here you can see the magic. So button phrase clicked is equal to view. So it's that easy. So now we know what button was clicked. So we just have to do that, and then we know the button which is clicked. Now the next part is, so firstly let me show you the button click, how it works. So we are going to do log.I button clicked, and then we are going to do phrase clicked dot get tag dot toString, and that, let's see how it turns out. So by the time that is going to take some time to run, so let's move on. So let's get a media player. Media player is equal to media player dot create can't find server package. 1 minute, I'll just see what the problem is over here, and then I'll come back. So guys, the code, it started running again. So let's check. So you can see, do you speak English? Good evening, hello, how are you? I live in, my name is, welcome, please. Yeah, everything is working. So now let's go on to the media player. So let's do media player is equal to media player dot create, and we are going to add. So we are going to add our application context, which is this, get resources, get identifier, dot get identifier, and here we are going to do So we are going to do phrase clicked dot get tag dot toString comma raw, and finally we are going to add get package name, and that is all what we need. And then we are going to do media player dot start. So now this should work perfectly without any errors, and you guys will also see what it sounds like this. So this is English to parle anglais. So now that is a fully functional phrases app which you have made. Congratulations on making it. And then this is not your last app, I can guarantee you on that. So hope you enjoyed making this app, and then I hope you liked making it. And as you can see, just using a tag, how easy it can be. Like tag, if we didn't use the tag, then what would have happened was that we'd have to create like 8 methods, and each for each type of music, each type of phrase, and then you would have to write this same code like 4 times, and then change this get identify. You'll have to change this everything to where is it, in raw. You'll have to change it to do you speak English, good evening, hello, hi, hello, how are you, everything. So yeah, hope you enjoyed making this app. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.